it's Amanda from Bend Like Bamboo, and this week we are talking about resilience and how to be flexible in times of change, which happens all the time. Consistently, we are going through change in life. It is never ending and always quite consistent. So doesn't it make sense to maybe become quite good at change? Because at Bend Like Bamboo, I believe that flexibility builds resilience, hence why I called my business that. And when we are stressed, we can become quite rigid in our mindset, in our bodies, and we can entertain worst case scenarios because that is the safest way. And we become risk adverse and we pick fear-based programs that no longer serve us. And so on my personal journey, I have really learnt that the definition of resilience is really all about digging deep within yourself, doing things anyway, and finding that real hope even when you feel like you can't. That is, in my mind, the definition of resilience. And when you do, the rewards can be quite profound. So much of my work is giving the mind and body the best environment to be able to be more resilient and flexible in times of change. Also on my personal journey, I discovered that what was the most difficult time of my life, in hindsight, after waiting for a period of time, when maybe it was 5 years, maybe it was 10 years, when now I look back and I realize it was actually one of the best things that ever happened to me. So don't forget, when stuff happens in your life and it feels like a setback, you really won't know whether it's actually something that's allowed you to dodge a bullet or whether it's leading you to somewhere you really want to go, and it ends up being such a great thing. So let's get really good at change. This week's blog is all about how to do just that. We look at the mind, we look at the body, and I really believe that internally and biochemically, I needed to become a whole new version of myself to fire a new biochemistry, a new mindset, and to create a new body that actually was working better. So let's learn how to choose repair over survival, and I hope you enjoy this week's blog.